Boy, me salt you fuck. For some reason, my name just can't rest over here saying up for me. We not trouble nobody. As me wake up this morning and me a scroll through, boom. Blood clot, one bucket of shit me go buck up in a. Mr. Bebo. Me call him rolling calf still, because I not really can pronounce him name. But I don't know a big fat Bebo man where we look like him pregnant. As me a scroll through, you know the Bieber man, the one where always a cock up in a box a morning time as daylight pan people girl picking name. Yeah, that's the same one there. As me a scroll through him that me see a highlight one video from me and Brit last night, you know. I be a laugh, we see him a laugh still. He laugh your fuck. Me say alright bam everybody, I say boom, him nah learn. Fucking idiot, him nah no sense. He nah no shame tree. Him deserve it. You know? And boy, if you tell me the truth still, you know. I'll know me still no feel like say me learn because if you not wait for see me this hour, it just not go happen. So me I go forever be one little yam vein about the place, you know. So I am who I am, you know. So me I beg you, no, please no judge me. I am who I am. Yeah. So you know, me allow them alone, me swallow me spit and me walk go down the road. As me walk off to pussy clock that I want next shit bucket that me go buck up in again. One box full of beer cow face, man. You fuck them face tough. Me don't know where them the grandma they come from to pussy clot. Me see them the highlight, but Destiny said it. It was on Destiny Live. Me see them the highlight one text where them a say Vani making a comment section, you know, I say me and Vani plan. But I mean did I play against Brit, you know, so them a say Vani come and shoot against Brit. And I me and Vani plan it. And Vani put it in the comment section, say, yo boy, send back me gift them come give me after this, you know, as we planned. So me I say, then them a cow face, them no know say if Vani a go put something like that in a comment section, is because Vani a try provoke the comment section like, are y'all stupid or are y'all dumb? That's how it go. You no stupid or you no dumb. That's how it go do. Well, me no know. But then again, you don't know, come here, couldn't figure out Vani reputation. You don't think Vani so fool? Or me and Vani if you plan something and Vani can put that in a comment section. That makes sense? Vani are one of the biggest ex-criminal from Jamaica, you know. Don't forget Vani no fool. You know?